Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to connect Trust Wallet with Pancakeswap. First, open your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure you have some BNB Smart Chain tokens ready for transactions. Then, locate and tap on the D-App browser icon at the bottom of your screen to begin the process. Once in the D-App browser, type Pancakeswap into the search bar at the top. From the search results, carefully select the official Pancakeswap website. It's crucial to double-check the URL to ensure you are on the legitimate site and avoid any phishing attempts. This step keeps your assets safe. Now, on the Pancakeswap website, you'll see a Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner. Tap this button, and a list of wallet options will appear. Select Trust Wallet from this list. Your Trust Wallet app will then prompt you to authorize the connection. Simply confirm it. After approving, your wallet address should now be displayed on Pancakeswap, indicating a successful connection. You are now ready to use Pancakeswap for various activities, like swapping tokens or participating in liquidity pools. Remember, for optimal security, always disconnect your wallet from Pancakeswap once you've finished your transactions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.